Here's the honest take on the Samsung Galaxy S26 5G AI. It's a high-storage AI-forward unlocked phone with a solid camera. Yet there's one major caveat you should not ignore. This is the Galaxy S26 5G AI, USA and Global Factory Unlocked version, 6.3-inch 50-megapixel camera, and a generous 512 GB with 12 GB RAM in black. The listing also clearly notes it's not for Xfinity, so we'll talk compatibility first, then the real-world pros and cons. First up, factory unlocked. That usually means you have more freedom to choose carriers and swap SIMs, which is ideal for travelers or people who don't want carrier restrictions. The con? If you're on Xfinity, this specific model isn't meant for it, so double-check your network situation before committing. Next, the 6.3-inch display. It lands in a sweet spot big enough for media and scrolling, but smaller than the biggest Ultra-style slabs. In daily use, that can mean easier one-handed control and a more comfortable pocket fit. Camera time, a 50-megapixel main sensor. In Samsung's typical style, you can expect strong detail and color, especially in everyday lighting. The honest limitation is that megapixels alone don't guarantee every result. Low light performance and motion shots depend heavily on processing and conditions. Now the headline, AI features. With AI-assisted performance and camera improvements, this kind of phone aims to make everyday tasks feel smoother. Think smarter scene handling, faster responsiveness, and more efficient use of system resources. The trade-off? AI features vary by region, updates, and app support, so it won't feel identical across every workflow. Finally, the storage and memory, 12 GB RAM and 512 GB. That's a strong combo for heavy multitasking, large game installs, and creators who keep lots of photos and videos locally. The con is simple. Storage-heavy users will love it, but if you don't need 512 GB, you may be paying for capacity you won't fully use. So, who should buy the Samsung Galaxy S26 5G AI Unlocked version? People who want a compact 6.3-inch flagship feel, a 50-megapixel camera system, and serious storage headroom, while being comfortable verifying carrier compatibility. If you're on Xfinity, that's the big red flag. If not, this is a compelling spec-forward option.